Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Styletone box, which is my favorite box of the month. But before we open up this box, I want to remind you guys to enter my giveaway. As soon as we reach 600 subscribers, I'm going to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and another giveaway will start pretty much immediately because I have so many freaking great ideas for giveaways, and I want to give back to you. This is a way to say thank you for taking the time of the day to watch my videos. So I love doing giveaways, and I kind of always want to keep doing giveaways. So make sure to check out my giveaway, guys. We are so freaking close. I need to reach 600 subscribers in order for that satchel, to be shipped off to one of you, and a brand new giveaway will start. And this giveaway, the new giveaway, is going to be so freaking different and like something else. So I cannot wait to start that. And you guys can of course help me out by reaching 600 subscribers by subscribing to my channel and making sure all of your friends and family subscribe to my channel as well. Now, let's get unboxing. Okay, so I took the liberty of opening up the cap because we all know it takes me forever. On the inside, we've got Treat Yourself with Self-Care, a Styletone card. I guess we're going to receive this every month. I don't know, because this is like the second one, but I don't use these cards, so whatever. We've got the big booklet, and this is the Self-Care Treats box, and we got that paper, which I'm going to rip apart, and this, wow, that's a good filled box. Like, this is the inside of this month's box. I am filming on like the hottest freaking day out of the year. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. It's like 35 degrees here. It's ridiculous for Dutch standards, but literally I only had today to film, so I'm gonna be sweating. Okay, let's move on to the box. We've got the first item from Starskin. This is the Eye Catcher Smoothing by Cellulose Eye Mask. This is what it looks like, and I am always happy to receive a mask of whatever kind, whether it's an eye mask, face mask, foot, whatever masks. I give those to my mom usually, but I'm still happy to receive them. I love it. Okay, let's check out, there we go, the booklet. It's right over here. So the Starskin Eye Catcher Eye Mask is worth €5.50. Okay, let's move on to, what's this? We Are Kind Natured, the brand with the big heart. Coconut and Monoi moisturizing hand cream. Okay, definitely gonna give this. Oh, this is for normal skin? Oh, I want to say if it's for dry skin, I'm definitely going to give this to my mom. But I think I'm just going to give it to my mom either way because she suffers from dry hands. And honestly, I don't really use a lot of hand cream myself. My hands aren't necessarily dry or whatever, so I'm good. Okay, the Kind Nature hand cream is worth €5.78. Okay, let's move on to something big from Biore. Hold on, I've seen something else in here from Biore as well, so I'm going to get that. We're going to do that like next. The new Biore, what's this? Clear and Bright Jelly Cleanser. Okay, that's pretty cool. But for what skin type is this? It doesn't say. Okay, maybe I have to read it in the booklet. If this is suitable for my skin, then I'm definitely going to give this a try because it looks very, very cool. It is actually great for travel purposes, so you know what? I think I'm going to hold on to it. The Biore Cleanser is worth €11.99, and I'm like looking whether or not it says for what type of skin this is. But it doesn't really, it doesn't say for what skin this is, so I'm just going to assume it's for every skin type. I'm going to take this along when I travel, because usually I use a face cleanser from La Roche-Posay, and that one is like 400 milliliters. It's huge, it's very thick, it's heavy, so it's not really that great for travel purposes, but this fella is, and I think it smells amazing because it's got ginseng and lemon in here, so I think it's going to be awesome. Very, very happy to have received this. Now moving on to the next Biore product, because I know I saw it twice. This is for all skin types. It's 6 nose patches. This is what they look like. It's not the charcoal ones that they usually promote. These are different. I am going to get these out of there. I love me a good nose patch. I use them like twice a week. So I'm very, very happy this is in here. Oh, you can't really see anything, but basically 6 nose patches. Definitely very, very happy with those. Boxes I usually don't really keep because it's freaking cardboard. I'm recycling that. The Biore Ultra Strips are worth €7.99, and I'm so freaking happy to have received this in here. Okay, let's move on to another big item, which is a Bagsy Hair Wonder Finally Fragranced Dry Shampoo. Now, I remember using the Bagsy Dry Shampoo, and it wasn't necessarily my favorite. My favorite is still the Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is what this one looks like. Of course, I'm going to give it a try, and this, again, great for travel purposes. It's definitely not a full size because it's so freaking tiny, but it is perfect for travel. So, a Bagsy Dry Shampoo, $9.99. Are you out of your freaking mind? This small of an item is $9.99? Hell no. I'm sorry, I have a hard time believing that because it's so freaking small. Like, my Batiste is like this big. Okay, we're gonna have to give this a shot because personally I think the price is a little bit high up there. Okay, moving on to a cream. It's a little pot from Louis Widmer Swiss Dermatologica. This is a face cream with UV 20. Okay, this is what it looks like. Hopefully the camera will focus. There we go. See, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's going to be sealed up on top. Yes, see, it's sealed. I'm not going to get it out because I don't want to open up every single freaking cream I have because I can't use them all at once. And I have a different one that I'm using for summertime, like a cooling cream right now that we received in another box. But that cream, let's check out the booklet. I saw it on the same page, I think, as the Louis Widmer Remaderm face cream is worth a whopping €27.50. So I am hella excited for that cream to give it a try. Now let's move on to Umberto Gianni Color Flowerology Bergamot plus Lemon Oil 97% Natural Super Serum. Defrizz, protect, and repair dry, damaged, colored, and bleached hair with sunflower seed, bergamot, lemon oil extract, provitamin B5, and vitamin E. The box is so freaking beautiful. Okay, this is what the box looks like, and look at this. How freaking gorge is this? I love it. But they say it's a serum? Yeah, it's a super serum, but how the hell do I use this? I don't know. Oh, okay, completely different from the box. This is what that serum looks like. Now, let me see in the booklet or even on the box how to use this, because comb 5 to 10 drops through damp hair before styling. Okay, I'm using a different styling product right now, or serum, I guess I should say. So when I'm done with that one, I'm going to try out this one because I'm really excited to see what it does. Let's see in the booklet, it's over here. The Umberto Gianni Hair Serum is worth €9.55. Okay, we still got quite a lot in here. The next item is a limited edition Avocado plus CBD 8-hour moisturized fill Avocado Eye Cream. Okay, from London Botanicals. This is what that pretty little box looks like. Very green, very in style with the avocado and the CBD. So let's open up the box, and of course I'm going to completely devour this box because I can never get a box open normally. Move there. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I'm quite excited to see what it does because I've heard so many good things about CBD oil and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to see what it does. Okay, I'm going to place it in here, and let's see in the booklet. It's over here. The London Botanicals Avocado Eye Cream is, whoa. I'm not shitting you guys. It literally says so here in the booklet. It's worth 56 euros for an eye cream. 56 euros? I need to test that shit out. Okay, we're gonna see how true that is, but okay. This is from Estate, an eye shade in the color Bone? Bone. Okay. I don't know what color this is, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep the eyeshadow, but I can already assure you I'm gonna butcher and devour this box. So if I'm going to give it away, oh, actually, wow, I was able to open the box, huh? Because if it's colors that I don't use, I give those away. So is it sealed? Can I open it? No, it's not sealed, so I can open it. I'm not going to touch it. Oh, it's white. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not going to give this away. This is what it looks like, and now I understand the name Bone. Like, it's white, and hey. I just saw in the viewfinder my thumb is dirty, sorry. But it is white, white, white. Now let me check out the booklet. Estate Eyeshadow Bone. It's worth 8 euros and 18 cents. And it really, really is white. Like, let me try and swatch it, because I'm going to use it. It really is white, like white, 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 white. It feels so freaking buttery when I touch it. Oh yeah, that's definitely a white eyeshadow. But I love it. I love me a good white, solid eyeshadow. So I am actually really, really happy with that. Okay guys, we got 2 more items in here. One is a brush from IB Beauty. It's this angled eyebrow brush with, of course, the little eyebrow thing. This is what it looks like, and I'm not going to get it out of the packaging because I simply don't know if I'm going to keep this particular brush for myself or if I'm going to give it away to one of you. I haven't decided yet, like, I'm going to be honest. This is the 9JA brush, and the IB Beauty dual brow brush, sorry, is worth 7 euros and 38 cents, and I do really love like the chrome vibe of it. I love these types of brushes, but I already have quite a few, and I don't really use brow products all that much because I have natural thick brows, so I don't really use it a lot. I do like to fill them in and then brush them out, but that is basically it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that little thing yet. And now we're down to the last item, and the box is on the floor. It is empty. This is Sunrise from Pays or Peas Wonder Stick Highlighter. Again, I think this brand was it Polish? Was it Polish or was it Italian? Like, I can't remember. I think it was Polish, but I can't freaking pronounce it for the love of me. So can somebody please tell me that is Polish? How do I pronounce this? Let's open it up. Oh, it looks actually very, very beautiful. This is what it looks like. Now let's give it a good, like, this is my effed up hand, like the bruises from the surgery that I had. So let's just pretty that. Whoa. Holy cow, like you can see it through the bruise. It looks gorgeous. It is abso-freaking-lutely beautiful. Wow. I love it, and it's so freaking buttery, like I can't believe it, especially for the summer. Like a non-powder, because you're gonna sweat anyways, like a stick is definitely better. So let me check out, it's over here, the Pays Peas, whatever, Wonder Stick is worth 8 euros. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. Wow, what an amazing freaking box. Let me just count in the booklet how many items we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items for 30 bucks. Goodie box, take note. I love this box. This is pretty much the reason why this is my favorite box. Like, these boxes are the most expensive ones. They're 30 euros every month. But I definitely get my 30 euros and more like worth out of it. I love freaking every item. There's one item I'm gonna give away to my mom, and I actually don't mind that because I love giving my family stuff. So the hand cream is gonna go to my mom, and maybe I still haven't decided, like I said, about this one, whether or not I'm going to give it away to you or keep it for myself. I don't know, but every single other item I'm definitely going to keep for myself. I loved this box. You guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. Bye!